What is it like staying at Ocean Casino Resort Hotel at Atlantic City? Let's check it out. They have so many lobbies everywhere, and they are so beautifully designed and welcoming. Check-in process was really quick and easy. I just provided my identification number and my card, and the staff was really friendly. So it did not take me even a minute to do the check-in process. I really liked how easy and quick it was. There was a facility to do the self check-in. The vibe is great. Let's go check out the food and the casino floor here in Ocean Casino Resort. Let's go to the restaurant first. I call it a district here.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win.
Tried my luck at casino, but it didn't work out. Lost just $40 altogether. But I think I really had a great fun in the casino. Now let's go ahead and check out the room. So we just checked in and we really had a great time. Check-in process was really fast and easy, and the lady that helped me was super friendly, and we got the room number 45. Let's go check in the room.
Going down.
Their escalator is, their elevator is also great. It's so super fast and quick. So we are on the 45th floor, and total number of floor here, I think it's 48. Wow, the room is amazing. It has really modern and stylish design with the floor-to-ceiling windows that offer a great view of the city. Check in the room. They have the TV turned on. That's good. And this is our hotel room. I can clearly see the ocean waves and the city of Sikkim Lighthouse. The view is absolutely amazing. It's breathtaking. Let's check the closet. They have the wooden hangers, 5 wooden hangers, iron, and they have the iron board, safe, and 2 cabinets over here. Nice little lamp, and the power cords, which I already started using it. They have a lot of power cords in the room. I mean, if you need to charge your things, then there is plenty of power cords. I'm able to walk from here. It's so pretty much good. This chair is really nice. I mean, the steel and the leather chair, and it's very comfortable for walking. Kenzo. Let's go check out the swimming pool.
I wonder what this swimming pool was.
So unfortunately, the hot bathtub is closed because of the freezing temperature outside. It's cold, but we had a really great time at Ocean Casino, and now heading to Tropicana. Stay tuned, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to share. Thank you so much again. Coming up with another video from Tropicana. Thank you again. Bye bye. Have a good time.